Now, most people think AI in Google Docs is just for tidying up a paragraph, but that's a bit boring, right? So today I'm going to show you 3 different ways solo business owners can use Gemini right inside their Google Docs without jumping between tabs or copying and pasting from a different tool. Now, a quick heads up though, at the time of recording this, you'll only see Gemini in Google Docs if you're on a Google Workspace plan like Business Standard or Business Plus. You won't see Gemini in your Google Docs if you have a paid business starter account or if you're using a free Google account. Now, you might be thinking, why would I use Gemini instead of an external AI like ChatGPT? Well, Gemini inside Docs saves you from hopping between the different platforms, and you can forget all that faffing around with copying and pasting. Gemini is your shortcut for improving, repurposing, and brainstorming right where you're already working. And if you've already styled your doc with headers and fonts and tables and so on, Gemini slots its edits in without messing it all up, which can be so frustrating when you're copying and pasting. So now that's out of the way, let's move on to tip number 1. So let's say I've got some messy notes in my Google Keep. I can quickly open them whilst I'm in Google Docs. I can quickly go over to my side panel here over on the right hand side and click on Keep in the side panel, and I can click and drag the note from my side panel into my Google Doc and then close this Keep side panel down. So these are just scribbles of future YouTube video ideas, that kind of thing. It's a total brain dump, there's no structure to it or anything. Now, instead of me manually tidying them up, I can actually highlight them and then click on this refine button that appears here next to the text. That's the Gemini refine button. Or I can click on the Gemini button, which is in this top right corner here, where it says Ask Gemini. Either way, it will open up a pane with different options available for you. So I'm going to click on this refine button here, and it gives me the option of rephrase, shorten, and so on. But I can also type in a prompt to tell Gemini exactly what I want it to do. And to do that, I click on this modify with a prompt here and simply type in my instructions. So I've asked it to turn these notes into a neat checklist of potential YouTube video titles grouped by app. And then once I'm done, I click on return and Gemini will do its thing. So you can see here, it's grouped them by the app like I've asked it to, and it's also given me titles that I could use for potential YouTube videos as well. If you're happy with that, then you can just click on insert here and it will insert it into the current Google Doc, or you can refine it some more, ask it some more questions, or get it to do different things by putting in more prompts here. You can click refine at this button here, or you can click on the drop down next to it and choose to shorten it, elaborate, etc, etc. So I'm going to say that I'm happy with that, and I'm just going to click on insert, and you can see it's put it where my cursor was, which was here. So I'm just going to press return a few times, and just like that I've got a proper list that's actually usable to me, and it's much faster than doing it all by hand. So one of my favorite uses for Gemini within my Google Docs is to repurpose content. So here's part of a newsletter that I've done, and normally I would paste this into a LinkedIn post and then have to go through it and work on it to change the format so that it suits LinkedIn. But instead of doing all that, I can actually highlight the text, click on the refine button that appears here, and then I can actually put in a prompt to ask it to repurpose it into a LinkedIn post. So I've put in the prompt, turn this newsletter into a short LinkedIn post, use a friendly, down-to-earth tone, keep sentences snappy, and end with a simple call to action to watch my YouTube video. I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to click on return. And it's now given me a short LinkedIn post that I can use. And if I'm happy with that, again, I can just click on insert and it will insert it here. And there it is, a LinkedIn ready version created instantly without me leaving Google Docs. So moving on to tip number 3. And another clever use of Gemini is to quickly generate templates. So let's say I need a simple one-page agreement for new clients. It's not a legal contract or anything like that. It's just something that sets expectations about how we'll communicate. So I'm going to go to Gemini and put in a prompt. I click on Help Me Write, and in here I'm just going to type in write a one-page client communication agreement for a solo business owner. Keep it friendly but professional. Include sections on response times, preferred communication methods, and what clients can expect from me. Avoid legal jargon. This is not a contract. and I'm going to click on create. And we'll see what it comes up with. That's pretty good, not too shabby. So I'm going to click on insert because I'm quite happy with that. Straight away, I've got a draft that I can customize without having to start from scratch and without moving away from my Google Doc. So I can make the changes to it and I can then download it as a PDF and share it with the client. Huge time saver. So they're just 3 practical ways you can use Gemini in Google Docs that go beyond just the usual grammar checks. Now, which one would save you the most time? Let me know in the comments below, or share how you currently use Gemini with Google Docs in your own business. I would love to hear. Now, did you know you can use Gemini in Gmail even if you have a free Google account? Well, you can, and if you'd like to see how to use it, then I've got a beginner-friendly video on that somewhere here. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.